A list of 25,000 ways to make money with AI went viral this year. It was also already out of date the week it posted. If you've been collecting AI side hustle screenshots instead of income, this video is the correction. Here's what actually happened. A massive list claiming thousands of AI money-making methods went viral, racked up tens of thousands of comments, and got shared everywhere as the definitive guide. Then people who actually tried acting on it started pointing out the obvious problem. A lot of the tools and methods listed were already outdated, discontinued, or never worked the way the list claimed in the first place. The backlash wasn't people being cynical for its own sake, it was people getting burned by content that prioritized volume over accuracy. That's the real lesson here, and it's bigger than one bad list. In a space moving this fast, quantity of tips is the opposite of useful. What you need is a small number of methods that are verifiably still working right now, explained honestly, including their real limitations. That's what this video is. Let's start with the one that gets dismissed too quickly by skeptics, using ChatGPT as a freelancing multiplier. This does not mean ChatGPT writes stuff and you sell it. That specific version is oversaturated and clients can usually tell. What actually works is using it as a speed and research multiplier inside a skill you already have: copywriting, editing, translation, customer support scripting, basic coding. You're still the one providing judgment, quality control, and client relationship. AI just compresses the time from brief to first draft. The honest limitation: this only works if you already have a marketable skill and existing or reachable clients. AI does not create expertise you don't have, and it does not find clients for you. If you're starting completely from zero, no skill, no network, this is a slower path than the hype suggests, and treating it as a shortcut is exactly the kind of thinking that got people burned by that viral list. ElevenLabs-style AI voiceover work is real, and it's real specifically in a narrow lane: freelancers who already understand audio production, script pacing, and client direction are using AI voice generation to take on more voiceover projects than they could record themselves, or to offer rapid turnaround and multi-language versions of the same script. The client relationship, the script editing, the audio post-production, that's still human work. The AI is replacing the recording booth, not the entire job. Where this gets oversold, the idea that literally anyone can now become a voiceover artist overnight with zero audio background. Clients hiring for voiceover work can tell when output sounds generic or poorly directed, and AI voice tools still need a skilled operator prompting, iterating, and editing them well. The tool lowered the barrier to producing audio, it didn't eliminate the skill gap in producing good audio. Tools like OpusClip, which auto-generates short clips from long-form video, are genuinely useful and genuinely being used commercially. Podcast networks and content teams use auto-clipping to turn one long recording into dozens of shorts without manually scrubbing footage for hours. That time savings is real, and it's the actual product value. The oversold part is the idea that this alone is a scalable income stream for you personally with no other skills attached. The actual money in this space is being made by people who combine the tool with a service, managing the clipping and posting workflow for a client's podcast or channel, understanding what actually makes a clip perform instead of just auto-selecting the tool's top suggestion, and packaging that into a retainer service. Using the tool for yourself saves time. Using the tool skillfully for someone else's channel is the actual business. Now the direct myth busting, because this is the part the viral lists skip. AI design services, using tools like Midjourney as a standalone business, positioned as pure image generation for sale, is one of the most saturated and commoditized corners of the AI side hustle space right now. Clients can generate their own images for free or near free, which collapses the value of "I'll generate an image for you" as a service on its own. What still has value is AI-assisted design work bundled with actual design judgment, composition, brand consistency, revision based on client feedback, not the image generation step in isolation. Similarly, AI video creation, tools like Synthesia are genuinely useful for corporate training and explainer content at scale, but marketing this as an easy solo income stream ignores that the actual clients, companies needing training or explainer content, buy based on trust, portfolio, and reliability, not just tool access. The tool is a production efficiency. It is not a client acquisition strategy. The pattern across every myth on this list: the tool is real, the time savings are real, but AI tool exists, is not the same claim as anyone can now earn money doing this with no other skill. That gap is exactly what got exploited by lists chasing 25,000 line items instead of 5 honest ones. If you've actually tried one of these, ChatGPT freelancing, AI voiceover, or AI clipping, comment which one and whether it worked, because I'm building the next video entirely from real reader results instead of another generic list. And subscribe if you want the myth busting to continue every time a new AI will make you rich trend blows up. That's the actual niche this channel is filling.